Hi there, in this video we are going to learn how to set a custom homepage in WordPress and then start editing it with Elementor. This is a very important step, especially if you want your website to look professional instead of showing random blog posts. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss upcoming videos. So first of all, let's understand one simple thing. When someone types your website URL in the browser, the first page they see is called homepage. By default, WordPress shows your latest blog post as the homepage, but in most professional websites, we don't use the default page. Instead, we create a custom page and set it as the homepage. Now let's do it step by step. Go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Pages, then select Add New. Give your page a name, for example homepage, and go to default templates and select Elementor full width and click publish. At this point we have created a page, but it's not set as the home page yet. If you reload your website now, you will notice nothing has changed. That's because creating a page and setting it as a home page are two different things. So now let's set it properly. Now follow carefully, go to your website while you are logged in. Click on customize. If you don't see it, go to appearance, then click customize. Inside customize section, scroll down and find homepage settings. You will see an option called your latest post. That's the default setting. Now select a static page. In the homepage drop down, choose your homepage. Click publish. Perfect. Now close the customizer. Refresh your website again. You will now see a blank page or empty layout. Don't worry, this is exactly what we want. This blank page is your canvas and now we can design anything we want. So now you know how to create and set up custom homepage in the WordPress the correct and professional way. In the next video, we will start designing this homepage using Elementor from scratch step by step. Make sure you are subscribed and I will see you in the next one.